G'day there, it's Duncan here. Australia didn't become wealthy by accident. We became wealthy because we built things, mined things, refined things, manufactured things and exported them right around the world. Over the last 50 years, governments of both persuasions treated manufacturing as yesterday's industry, bearing productive businesses under regulation, taxes and rising costs, while industries were outsourced, closed or driven offshore as politicians and unions argued over who could make production more expensive. Remember when Australia built cars, clothing, trucks, ships, planes, locomotives, steel, oil refineries, military equipment, televisions, white goods and fertiliser, and just the list goes on and on. Back in the 1970s, more than 30% of Australians worked in manufacturing. Today, it's barely 5%. Young Aussies who want a trade, a workshop, a factory career, or a pathway into industry are finding fewer opportunities every year, while governments, they seem far more interested in creating programs, departments and bureaucracy than rebuilding productive jobs. Now we have the Australian Made campaign proudly showcasing a backyard cricket bat maker, a sock manufacturer, a boot maker and a monkey bar assembler. Now don't get me wrong, good on them for having a go. But when a country that once built military vehicles, locomotives, oil refineries, steel mills and entire production lines is celebrating monkey bars as evidence of industrial strength, you know something has gone terribly wrong. It's a bit like watching a former heavyweight boxing champion proudly announce he's now the undefeated champion of the local knitting club. Today, we're increasingly becoming a soft-bellied service economy, living off past achievements while our industrial backbone just disappears offshore. The harsh reality is that Australia no longer builds enough of what it needs. We export the raw materials, import the finished products and tell ourselves we're still an advanced industrial nation. When a nation stops manufacturing its essentials, closes its refineries and relies on imports for what it once produced itself, it doesn't become stronger or more prosperous. It becomes dependent, vulnerable and weaker.